In a major legal development today, the United States Supreme Court has ruled in favor of the Trump administration regarding the controversial policy proposal on birthright citizenship, a measure that would have restricted automatic citizenship for children born on U.S. soil to undocumented or temporarily present parents. The court, in a 6-3 decision, determined that lower courts lacked the authority to impose nationwide injunctions blocking the Trump administration's executive order. The decision, authored by Justice Amy Coney Barrett and backed by 6 Republican-appointed justices, emphasized that sweeping restrictions on executive actions went beyond federal courts' equitable powers. These nationwide injunctions had previously blocked implementation of policies aimed at revoking birthright citizenship, a right guaranteed by the 14th Amendment, which states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States are citizens of the United States and on the state wherein they reside. Justice Barrett wrote in the court's majority opinion that lower courts overstepped by extending their rulings beyond the immediate patients involved in the allegations. She noted that such broad injunctions likely exceed the equitable authority that Congress has given to federal courts. It's essential to note that the Supreme Court's ruling does not address whether the underlying Trump-era policy itself is constitutional. Rather, it strictly limits the scope of injunctions that courts can issue when reviewing federal executive actions, restoring more authority to the executive branch to implement policies before they are evaluated on their legal merits. The outcome marks a significant judicial shift. It paves the way for presidential orders like this one targeting birthright citizenship to take effect nationwide unless courts issue narrow injunctions aimed only at the involved parties and jurisdictions. Civil rights advocates argue that this ruling may open the door to politically sweeping executive actions, while supporters claim it corrects judicial overreach. Many observers are now questioning what implications this precedent will have for future challenges to controversial executive orders across a wide range of policy areas. In summary, today's decision represents a landmark shift in the balance of power between the judiciary and the executive branch, raising important questions about the future of birthright citizenship and the reach of federal court injunctions.